Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Time for another foundation episode this week, where I start from first principles, removing the need to go back and check out previous episodes. Due to the complexity and feature-rich nature of ScreenFlow, I'm going to have to spread this over 2 episodes. This first episode, looking at the basics of ScreenFlow, followed in a couple of weeks with a second part looking at some of the more advanced features. ScreenFlow 8 is a complete application for the recording, editing, exporting and publishing of screencasts. Now, a screencast is just what you're watching now, a video of a screen capture and spoken narration explaining what's happening on screen. Screencasts are a fantastic way for you to capture and spread knowledge, whether it's for friends, family, colleagues, or even documenting processes or procedures for yourself. Although both iOS and macOS Mojave already have built-in capabilities for capturing screencasts, these are all fairly rudimentary. Whereas ScreenFlow is a fully featured video editor in its own right, but is crucially optimized for screen captures. I have covered ScreenFlow at various releases throughout the past few years, but now it's time to consolidate and start afresh, so let's take a look at ScreenFlow 8. So ScreenFlow 8 is available through various options. You can, if you want, go across to the App Store, do a quick search for ScreenFlow. It's available on the App Store. It's £129 here in the UK. I think it's $129 in the US. In addition to buying it through the App Store, you can also, if I go across to Safari, buy it from the Telestream website, so over at telestream.net. Now it is saying here that it's $129, so if you wanted to, if you're in the UK and you wanted to get a bit cheaper, you could buy it directly from Telestream and do the currency conversion. It probably works out to just under £100. There are some differences between the Mac App Store version and the Web Store version. If I just go across to here, if you buy it from the Telestream website, there is a licensing issue in that you only are allowed to run it on a single Mac, whereas with the Mac App Store version, you can run it on multiple Macs. Also, there is a technical feature called dynamic linking, which is only available in the Web Store version. And that's where if you change any of your media, those changes are picked up within ScreenFlow. If you change your media, such as change a PNG file or something similar, using the Mac Store version, you have to manually add that back into the application. I have to say that I go with the Mac Store version each time, mainly for the benefits of running it on multiple Macs. Okay, but let's pop that down and out of the way. So let's say that you've gone ahead and installed ScreenFlow 8. Let's have a look at setting it up. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV, using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.